A solution containing 0.01 mole per liter of calcium chloride and 0.01 mole per liter of strontium chloride is slowly added to 0.01 N solution of H2SO4. Which substance begins to precipitate earlier? कैल्शियम क्लोराइड की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन गिवन है 0.01 मोल्स पर लीटर, स्ट्रॉन्शियम क्लोराइड की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन गिवन है 0.01 मोल्स पर लीटर, H2SO4 की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन given है in terms of normality which is 0.01 N. Now you have to find out which one will precipitate earlier. Solubility product of calcium sulfate and strontium sulfate is given. सबसे पहले तो नॉर्मेलिटी ऑफ H2SO4 को कन्वर्ट करेंगे मोलैरिटी में, बिकॉज यू हैव टू टेक द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ मोलैरिटी व्हाइल सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन. मोलैरिटी क्या होती है? मोलैरिटी होती है नॉर्मेलिटी डिवाइडेड बाय वैलेंसी फैक्टर. तो मोलैरिटी ऑफ H2SO4 हो जाएगा, मोलैरिटी ऑफ H2SO4 हो जाएगा, इसकी नॉर्मेलिटी गिवन है 0.01 N divided by valency factor of H2SO4 is 2. H2SO4 is acid, and in acids the valency factor is equal to the number of H plus ions given by the acid in aqueous solution. Here H2SO4 gives 2 H plus ions in aqueous solution, so its valency factor is 2. Solving, molarity of H2SO4 will be equal to 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Or this can also be written as 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Now calcium chloride की molarity given है 0.01 moles per liter. तो calcium ions present in the solution will be 0.01 moles per liter. Strontium ions present in the solution will be equal to the molarity of strontium chloride, that is 0.01 moles per liter. सल्फेट आयंस की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है सोल्यूशन में 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 मोल्स पर लीटर. तो आयनिक प्रोडक्ट कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कैल्शियम सल्फेट, आयनिक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कैल्शियम सल्फेट क्या हो जाएगा? कैल्शियम सल्फेट में देयर इज वन कैल्शियम आयन एंड वन सल्फेट आयन. तो आयनिक प्रोडक्ट विल बी इक्वल टू कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम आयन, दैट इज 0.01 multiplied by concentration of sulfate ion, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. ठीक है? So this is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 5. This is the ionic product of calcium sulfate. Now ionic product of strontium sulfate. Now strontium sulfate also has one strontium ion and one sulfate ion. तो इसका ionic product हो जाएगा, what will be its ionic product? Concentration of strontium ions, that is 0.01 multiplied by concentration of sulfate ion, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. ठीक है? Now this is again equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 5. Now as can be seen, if you compare the ionic product and solubility product, ionic product of strontium sulfate is 5 into 10 to the power minus 5, whereas solubility product of strontium sulfate is 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 7. So ionic product of strontium sulfate is greater than its solubility product. This is in case of strontium sulfate. Ionic product is greater than solubility product. Ionic product की क्या value है? 5 into 10 to the power minus 5, which is greater than solubility product. Question में given है 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 7. Whereas if you compare the ionic product of calcium sulfate and solubility product of calcium sulfate, in that case ionic product of calcium sulfate is less than solubility product. ठीक है? तो which one will be precipitated here? Strontium sulfate will form precipitate, whereas calcium sulfate will not form any precipitate.